Hello everybody, I'm just doing a video inside as kind of a test run with the camera again that I received as a gift. I'm trying to get an idea still of how it works and again how we're going to be able to upload the video into YouTube and that. So I'm just going to do another test run here. I'm going to try to upload it into YouTube. So if you view this, please comment on the quality of what you, if it's clear, if you can hear my voice. I have a tendency to talk loud, so generally there's no problem hearing me and that. Just basically what the quality is of the picture that you're seeing and that, if it looks natural, if the colors are good and that. And hopefully we can kind of go from there. I'd like to be able to take a video and directly upload it through my laptop into YouTube if I can possibly do that. I may have to run it through a conversion program or something like Movie Maker in order to bring up the quality of that, and I still haven't found a good program like Movie Maker, and we tried Movie Maker and it just, the quality came out so poor we didn't even actually put it up onto YouTube and that. The color was bad, the motion was jerky and that, and so let's kind of try this again here and that.
Keep on trying
and see if it's going to work and kind of go from here. And that, like I said, I really want to use this camera. It allows me to be more mobile. I've also got a tripod that it's mounted on right now, and that, which works really fine. It'd be something that I could really use and help us, and especially me, upload videos. Beth does most of her videos on her phone and directly uploads it from the phone. And also, an added thing here in the Philippines, the towers and your signal, internet signal from the towers, whether it's through Smart or Globe, really, you need a phone here. The phones work, and we can upload really fast off the phone, and we try to upload off the laptop and everything else, and it takes 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 hours in order to be able to do it. While it may only take an hour, hour and a half to upload it on the phone. For some reason, the way they've got the internet programmed here, and because everybody in the Philippines has a phone, they're probably aiming at that crowd and that. Very few people, especially once you get out of the major metropolitan areas, have a laptop computer, any type of computer here and that. And of course, when you're in one of those major metropolitan areas, the speed just is completely different what it is from out here in the country. So let's give this a try. Again, please comment. Let us know what this looks like in your part of the world. So Beth and I will say goodbye for now.
Bye.
And hopefully this will work so I can continue using it.
Thank you.